And your recipes have amounts on them, but sometimes you have to kind of, like when it comes to butter and fat and stock, and you can't just take a perfect number, right? Because it depends on how high your heat is, how big your pan is. So you have to kind of look for things that those are just kind of guidelines, right? All right, so I'm gonna go turn the sign off real quick. Open that oven, just gonna let it sit there. Okay. And remember, my green beans, they're already pretty much cooked, right? So all I'm doing is kind of heating them up. So I'm gonna put my green beans in here. Hit them with some salt, pepper, okay? And I'm just kind of heating them up a little bit. Just kind of get them to, I don't want to put super high heat. I don't want them to really brown. I want that nice bright color, right? A nice bright green. All right. So